Hi, zithandwa zam. So spend the day with us gebo love. When we wake up the sun was already up kaloku because we sleep very late in the yesterday ke nono. Apha we wash our face in the tank and we wash our tooth in the tank. It's not a problem ke in rural areas. No bathroom, no ntontoni. Is just easy life ke nono. Apha our brothers was already wake up and play the game to beat each other. You see apha they beat each other. After that, I went to help myself in the reliever room. Our reliever room is far too much. When you have a stomach that is not good, is problem too much. Appa, my mother was already went in the ritual, in the ceremony, in the part I don't know. And my brother Appa was play the game, the ball, because was already in the during the day. So they play each other you see Appa they play each other because the ball was already so he was run the ball Appa. Here my brother take the car because our home is a descending order, ascending order. I don't know. The car when it go down is not easy to go up. So Appa was take the car in there to go down so that is wash the car Here my sister was busy burn the rubbish bag, rubbish bin, rubbish. I don't know, but a rubbish was burned so that the yard is clean. After that I prepare the breakfast is an egg and the bread is nice again. The rural areas no plate, no need for plate is not a problem. You see how sweet is my sister. She eat the leftover of the food was cooked yesterday. Here we went to fetch the girl of me. The girl of me was visiting the home of her. Up again we reached the place is called Mchilankuku. You see that place is Ejikamtu. So this place is Mchilankuku is mean you catch the chicken and you put the rope in the neck and you eat. So here was showing the beauty of the place we stay. Is a beauty too much. You see how beautiful is the donkey. We make donkeys from scratch tinanon. So up again the girl we catch the girl and come back so here was fix the trouser and the top so that is work good. So up again was already reached the home. Don't mind her bag again was put in the dirty place. So she meet the uncle is favorite of the children so it's like that. Bye.